Hello everyone, welcome to MultiVariants tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how you can reload your product page after clicking the add to cart button. For example, you can see that if I select any quantity and then click the add to cart button, I go to the cart page. So if you don't want that, if you want that after selecting your quantity and clicking the add to cart button, your product page will reload itself. Then you can do that with the help of MultiVariants app. So to do that, you have to go to the MultiVariants dashboard. Now from general settings, from here add to cart automatic redirect settings, you need to select reload and then save the changes. Now if I go to the product page again and reload the page, here if I select any quantity and then click the add to cart button, you can see that my product page reloads automatically. So after clicking the add to cart button, the product page will reload itself. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you.